So today I'm going to be showing you how to install the Basenor mud flaps for your Model 3 Tesla, and all it takes is 10 minutes. This was gifted to me from a family member, and I'm excited to put them on because I'm out here in New England and the winters can be really rough, so I want to protect my car as much as I can. So let's get right into it. I recommend cleaning your wheel wells before you go ahead and start this project. All right, I hope this is a good angle. I'll take a look right there. That little bolt we got to take off for the rear. So I'll put it here. And I watched online someone do it. They did it with a nice like little pair of scissors. So I'll give it a shot. There you go. Pops right off like a dream. Too easy. Okay, so here's a little screw piece. The pieces, there's 4 in total, but it's super simple. There's like initials. So this one says RL. If you could see RL, that's going to be rear left. So look, oh boom, perfect. That's actually the one we needed. So it's going to be rear left. Goes right on. Wow, you see that? All right. Too easy. Now I have the pieces. That one fits on like a dream. So right now, I'm just going to pull out the screws. So that one is just sitting perfectly. I didn't even put a screw in yet. That's how easy this is. Thank you, Basenor. So here's the old screw. Popped it out. Here's the new screw. I'll find the hole. Ooh. Looks like I see the hole right here. You guys can't really see. I'm in the way, but I just put it in there. So now I'm going to push it in. Boom. Snapped right in. Perfect. Okay, yeah, the rears just have one screw and then they have one clip. So, in my baggie right here, I'm going to get the clip. Wow, this is so freaking easy, dude. Anyone can do this. So I got my clip. Ow. Let's go ahead and put it in the middle. Okay. So there we go. There's our first one on. We're at the right rear. The screw is right here. Boom. Just going to pop it right out with scissors. Sharp scissors. There's a little open point on your screw. So I'll pop it out. Oh, that one just popped right out. Okay. There we go. Boom. Now we'll put the flap on. Wow, it just snaps right in. Man, it cannot get much better than that. I'm not gonna lie. So that's awesome. Again, one screw in the back. The front ones will probably be a little more difficult, but nothing we can't handle. Okay, so here's the screw. I'm gonna place it in the hole. Okay. All right, looks like we're secure. It's in there. I'm gonna go and press. There we go. Nice snap. All right. The only thing left to do is do the clip. Let's see. All right. All right, so for the front installation, you want to move your tires all the way to the right so you can access these screws pretty easily. All right, so just to give you guys an idea of what screws need to be taken off, it's going to be this one, and that one. And you can tell by if you just put the mud flap right here floating, those are the ones you're going to need to remove. I should have recorded the first one, but it came out like a dang slingshot. Nice. 2. 3. Nice. We'll put the flap on. Okay. Now, these ones don't kind of stay like the ones in the rear because, you know, you got to put all 3 prongs in them. So we'll push. Now, I wouldn't push it all the way. I would fit them all in the groove first before you commit. Make sure everything fits. Nice. All right, it looks pretty fastened, so I'm going to go ahead and start closing them off. First one on the top. Nice. Middle. Nice. Bottom. Too easy. Wow. I'm impressed. All right, so this is going to be the last one, the FL, front left. And these are the 3 screws. 1, 2, 3. All right, so we're going to remove the 3 screws again on the bottom. 1, 2, 3. You can see by putting the mud flap on before, just to know which ones you have to take off. You know, I was worried I might need like a special screwdriver, or might like a special like car toolkit, but no, just some scissors I found around the house. Gonna go into the small spot. Boom. 1, 2. So easy. And a little difficult. There you go. And 3. I'm going to take them out. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Now again with the mud flap, when you get your screw, I wouldn't push it in all the way. We'll just put it in as a placeholder just to make sure everything fits. All right, first one in the middle. Nice. 2. 3. All right, start with the middle. All right, fits like a dream. Fits like a dream. Fits like a dream. There we go. All right, if you enjoyed this video, please leave a like, subscribe. Hopefully this was super helpful. Honestly, I thought it'd be a lot harder, but this was very easy. Be sure to like, subscribe, comment. See you in the next one. Peace.